Hello people, in today's video we have some buffer board. I want to show my multimeter. Raise a little bit the camera. So that's the multimeter, cheap one, not extremely cheap, but basically not even expensive one. So when checking the buffer board, mostly problem is in this transistors, diodes, not transistor, diodes. So you set the multimeter on short, so when you touch it beeps, hear it. And now to test the diodes, you put one side on this, a little bit zoom. Yeah, zoom in. Yeah. Again, the phone, my love again. I'll turn it a little bit down. Just a second. I will send the voice record. You will finish in the video. So, okay. Now, so what you're doing? You put one on one side and the other on the other side. You see? No beep. And another leg. No beep. And they are all connected. So if one go wrong, they all go wrong. Short, like. And you're checking. No beep, no beep. If you touch the middle one, it's directly connected, it's gonna beep. You hear the sound. That's the middle one. You have two legs. 3. 1, 2, 3. And you're continuing. No, no. No beep, no beep. And this is good. I already checked all of them because I wasn't sure. I order like SU board, S up like board, but I had suspicion this one is also wrong, but it's not. Like mostly it's here, it's problem. You can check all of them, like, so you know then if it's wrong it beeps. So okay, and this is this TV, massive one, pretty big. And what we are checking here, this is connection for SU and SD boards. Board out and plug the TV again, and it's like now showing 8 blinking red lights. So, and when I put it back, it's showing 7. So must be this one, like this board, SD board. Yeah. So yeah, just a second, I will show you how I find that out. Okay, this is my PC. So I download manual for this this TV. I was looking some, that's a board what we are talking today. You see? No, yeah, you can zoom in like proper. See? So you can see everything. Okay, back, but this is interesting. Troubleshooting guide. So here is this. I'll show you now in a second. you can see now. Yeah, so blinking times, you can see like a LED blinking time chart. So if one panel information SOS 3, 4, it's no 2. I now realize that doesn't matter. And I have 7. So 7 driver SOS2 SUSD connector detected SUSD. So something is wrong with SU or SD. So when I take out this buffering board, it's start blinking 8 times. Driver SOS. So it's SS board. That's the name of the board in today's video. I hope you, I don't know, find it interesting. I'm also new, like, in this all stuff. I learn also through the YouTube, and it's okay, like, you can find, but you need like some tools, and like this multimeter is crucial, so without him it's very difficult. So I show, like, before it was, I think, 30-40 euro, 30 euro, I think, something like that in range. Pretty cheap. It's not professional one, but for me it's more than enough, so I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a nice evening and a nice day tomorrow. Yeah, enjoy. Bye. Bye bye. Yeah, Beamer life. Always. No. Maybe I will record. I need to change the oil and flush the system in the radiator, because winter is coming and it's like a little bit dirty water. I don't know why, to be honest. It scares me a little bit. So maybe we will make a video about that too. But working on the car, it's very difficult to record, because it's like loads of oil and it's dirt, and you don't have like will or time to record. If I like force my nephew to help me with recording, it's gonna be great. Like, we have like this car this weekend and one more car. It's Renault Laguna 1.6 16 valves, only oil change, so it's for my brother-in-law, so a little bit fun, and like, we'll see. It's long until Sunday, so Sunday or Saturdays, we'll see. See ya. Bye. Bye.